Hi, my name is Andrew, the product manager for residential construction here at Makita. Delighted to introduce our next generation 3¼ inch planer, the XPK02. We'll be launching springtime, and it will be additive to our line. It's a brushless BL52 motor, 3¼ inch, more powerful than our current brush model, while maintaining some of the same features: dual exhaust chip extraction, dual blades, 3 chamfering, different sizes. And this particular model is AWS capable. So via the Bluetooth connection will allow you to connect wirelessly with our AWS extractors and competitive extractors with our AWS extractor kit that allows you to connect other brands.
Awesome. How much?
Pricing is not set yet.
Not yet, so it's not even out yet.